Current web browsers suffer from two critical problems. First, they provide few tools to help make sense out of a very complex information space. Second, once a user finds web pages of interest, the tools for managing those pages are very primitive. The WebBook and Web Forager suggest solutions to these two problems. Current web browsers focus on one page at a time. There is no higher-level concept by which to organize them. The most elementary form of sense-making is grouping, so the WebBook allows users to group web pages into a book. This reduces the number of elements in the space and allows them to be manipulated as a book. The pages can be gathered in a number of ways, including a URL and its direct links, a URL and all relative links reached from it, as shown in this book, the results of a search, or pages inserted by hand. Links are color-coded to distinguish links outside the book from those in the book. Red links point to other pages within the book. Blue links point outside. The user can flip through the pages, scan them, or ruffle through them. Pages of a book can also be viewed with a document lens. This allows the user to view all the pages in context, or to move pages around in the book. The user can easily shift between these two views of the book. Current web browsers do not have any notion of a workspace. A workspace is necessary to allow pages to be compared and combined. To make up for the lack of a workspace, current browsers have hot lists with links to pages of interest. It does not take long before hot lists grow large enough to require their own organizing and searching, adding new costs to managing the information. The Web Forager takes advantage of human perception and location memory, using a simulated physical space to organize the information of interest. The Web Forager has four major areas: a history stack, a desk, a bookshelf, and the workspace itself. There are three kinds of objects found in the Web Forager: pages, books, and piles. Focusing on the bookshelf moves the viewpoint to the bookshelf until the user selects one of the objects on the shelf. When a link is selected on a page, if the page is already in the workspace, it is brought forward. Otherwise, a new page is fetched from the web server. Pages can easily be moved to piles or books. Piles can be ordered or random. Touching an object in a pile brings it to the front. An object can be removed from a pile by grabbing it. A new pile can easily be created by putting two pages together. When the workspace is searched, a new book is created containing the search results. As before, the search results book can be viewed as a book or a document lens. To summarize, the WebBook provides a way of grouping large numbers of web pages and therefore helps the user make sense of a large information space. The Web Forager provides a simulated physical space to provide rapid access to organized pages of interest. Providing such an information workspace helps change the cost structure of accessing information on the web, making the web a more effective source of information.